We're out here at Barefoot Cottages today, and if you have been waiting for something under $400,000 that can be a great investment property or just a hangout for your family and it has it all, well, you're going to want to check this out. This is a beautifully kept 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. These are single family homes. You have to check it out. Not only does it have wood floors all throughout, true hardwood floors, you get 2 screen porches, a big open living room, a beautifully redone kitchen that has all new appliances in the last several years. There's a half bath on the main floor, a dining area. It packs a lot of punch with it for a small place. And upstairs you've got all of the bedrooms. Each one has an ensuite bath. I can't wait to show you. Come take a look. So we're in the upstairs now, and the guest bedroom is large. I mean, you could do a queen, a king. You've got room for a couple sets of bunks with a closet. You've got your ensuite bath here with a tub shower combo in this bathroom, tile floors. This primary suite has plenty of room for a queen, a king-size bed, very generous. It's got its own ensuite bath as well, tiled floors, glassed-in tiled shower. You've got to check out the deck up here. It gets its own deck. Oh, by the way, small walk-in closet here. It's got its own deck, but not only that, I am seeing the beautiful St. Joe Bay out here. So I know in the fall, as that sun moves around this way, you're going to have many months where you're going to be able to enjoy the sunsets right from this upper deck, and this view is not changing. So they've got all the fun lights and a fire pit out here. All of it stays, which is important to you. If you want to rent it short term, this place is ready to go. What you just saw is everything that is staying in this home. It is ready to go. So if you want to use it, enjoy it with your family, of course, you know Barefoot Cottages has a huge pool for the family with a hot tub. They have a private pool in the back for reading. You've got plenty of room to spread out. My favorite part is that when you pull through the gated community here, you can pull right up to this home. This is a home that is a single family residential home, but the common area is all maintained by the HOA. So if you love a lock and leave, this is perfect for you. We are 1 minute to the beach access right here at Windmark, where you can cruise the 3-mile trail, enjoy everything that the town center in Windmark has to offer, and we are 4 minutes to Port St. Joe. Live music, restaurants, all the fun there. This is location, location, location under $400,000. We're at $389,000 on this, and you're going to want to see it. Share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.